Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year. My name is Jay and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be making origami simple boat. I'm just gonna use printer paper for this video and this will be our boat. As you can see, this sail is a bit bigger than this one right here. I'll explain that more in detail when we get to that step. As I said, my paper is going to be vertical, and our first step is to fold in half horizontally. So we're going to fold it like this. Now we're going to fold vertically in half again. So it's going to be like that. Now we're going to unfold and we're going to rotate it so the open side is facing you. And we're going to fold this edge to this middle line. Okay, we're gonna do the same step on this side. Just do that. Open it, and like that. And now, what we're gonna do is, see this open side? We're gonna lift this up and we're just gonna crease it. Fold it up as much as you can, okay? Now we're gonna flip it over and see these two corners? First, we're gonna fold this corner backwards, something like this, okay? Now we're gonna fold this edge to where we folded this other piece of paper. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, like that. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna fold this upwards like this. Just fold it a bit more. Okay. Now there'll be this small pocket. Gonna flatten it like that. We're just gonna reinforce. And now this is the part where it depends on you which sail do you want. You want the bigger one or you want the smaller one? For the smaller one, you'd have to fold this corner all the way to the top point. If you want a bigger sail like this one, you just have to fold almost with a bit of space. I'm gonna fold all the way to the top. So like that. And just do that. Okay. Now we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Like that. Just fold it a bit up more. Okay, now there should be another pocket, so we're gonna flatten that as well. Just reinforce. We're gonna pull apart these two corners, and we're just gonna flatten this like that. Just do that. And there you guys have it. This is an origami boat. This one right here. I made it small. You can make yours bigger, like this. But that's it for me, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and give a comment in the comment section below. And like, subscribe, and share. That really helps my channel a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.